Today we are going to show you the best dash cam you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best dash cams for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best tech products that you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering dash cam, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. The Vantru N2 Pro is a versatile and popular dashcam for those who want to document their journeys and have the added benefit of capturing interior footage. The N2 Pro is equipped with 2 cameras, one for recording the road ahead in 1080p Full HD and another for recording the interior of the vehicle, including the driver and passengers, also in 1080p Full HD. This dual camera setup is useful for documenting both traffic incidents and passenger interactions. The interior camera features infrared night vision, which allows it to capture clear footage in low light and nighttime conditions. This is important for monitoring the vehicle's interior, especially during rideshare services in the dark. The dashcam supports loop recording, meaning it continuously records video and overwrites the oldest files when the memory card is full. This ensures that you always have the most recent footage available. The N2 Pro has a built-in G-sensor that can detect sudden movements or collisions and automatically lock the associated video files to prevent overwriting. It also has a parking mode that can record incidents even when the vehicle is parked. This feature allows the camera to start recording when it detects motion in front of the vehicle, even when the engine is off. It's useful for monitoring the surroundings when the car is parked. The dashcam can be set to record in time-lapse mode, which captures photos at set intervals and compiles them into a video. This is useful for capturing long journeys or monitoring an area over an extended period. With an optional GPS module, you can track your vehicle's location and speed, which can be displayed on the recorded footage. The N2 Pro is designed for easy installation in your vehicle and comes with various mounting options. Number 4. The Garmin Dashcam 67W is a compact and high-quality dash camera designed for use in vehicles. The 67W features a wide-angle lens, which allows it to capture a broad field of view, typically around 180 degrees. This ensures that it can record what's happening both in front of and around your vehicle. It records video in high-definition HD or even full high-definition FHD quality, typically at 1080p, which provides clear and detailed video footage. Many Garmin dash cameras, including the 67W, come with GPS capabilities. This allows the camera to log your speed and location data while recording, which can be useful for insurance purposes or in the event of an accident. The dash camera may have voice control features, which can be helpful for hands-free operation and changing settings while driving. Some dash cameras, including the Garmin 67W, have a parking mode. In parking mode, the camera can continue recording when your vehicle is parked, activated by motion or impact detection. These dash cameras typically have a small built-in LCD display, which can be used to view recorded footage, adjust settings, and navigate menus. Garmin dash cameras may offer Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to transfer videos to your smartphone for easy sharing or viewing. The camera stores the footage on a microSD card, which you need to purchase separately. The capacity of the card determines how much video you can store. Dash cameras usually have loop recording, which means that when the storage is full, the camera will overwrite the oldest footage with the new recordings. Dash cameras like the Garmin 67W often have built-in sensors to detect sudden stops or collisions, automatically saving that footage as an event for review. Number 3. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a tiny dash cam that puts a focus on simplicity. The Mini 2 captures high-quality HD footage and has a useful set of voice control commands. The video quality is good, the smartphone app works well, and the camera is easy to swap out if you own multiple vehicles. The dashcam Mini 2 records in full HD at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens, which shoot at 1440p through wider, 180-degree lenses. But we feel 1080p is still good enough for a dashcam. There are just 2 buttons on the dashcam Mini 2. One on the side switches audio recording on and off, while a button on the back saves the most recent section of footage. Footage is automatically saved when a collision is detected, but the button is useful for manually saving video of anything else you spot while driving. The camera comes with a choice of USB cables, one short and one long, plus an adapter for powering the dashcam from a 12V lighter socket. Also included are a pair of adhesive windscreen mounts, making it easy to switch the camera between 2 vehicles. It shoots 1080p full HD with HDR and is captured at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens. Details like road signs and vehicle registration plates are clear, and footage remains sharp throughout varying lighting and weather conditions. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is its lax GPS. Instead, locational data can only be captured if the Mini 2 is synced with a Garmin Dashcam that has GPS. A parking mode is available but requires Garmin's constant power cable, sold separately, which hardwires the Mini 2 to your car. Number 2. The ThinkWhere U1000 is a high-end, advanced dashcam designed for recording video footage while driving. The U1000 offers a 4K Ultra HD front camera that provides incredibly clear video footage, capturing fine details and enhancing the overall quality of the recordings. In addition to the front camera, it also comes with a rear camera, allowing you to record both the road ahead and what's happening behind your vehicle. This is especially useful for providing comprehensive video evidence in the event of accidents. The U1000 features various ADAS functionalities, such as lane departure warning, front collision warning, and red light camera alerts, designed to enhance driving safety. This technology is designed to improve low light and nighttime recording quality, ensuring that your dashcam can capture clear video even in challenging lighting conditions. The U1000 has built-in GPS for tracking your vehicle's location and speed, as well as Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to connect to your smartphone to access and manage video footage using a dedicated app. It includes an advanced parking mode, which can monitor your vehicle when it's parked and not in use. If it detects motion or an impact, it will start recording and save the footage. With a compatible subscription service, the U1000 can connect to the cloud, enabling features like real-time GPS tracking, remote viewing, and notifications for events detected by the camera. Number 1. The Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam is different from most other dashcams on the market. The rear view camera means the Wolfbox FHD 1296p dual lens camera will only work in full HD. However, working in dual dashcam mode at 1080p still means high-quality recording. This car camera supports 24-hour parking mode, but to use it, you will need to install the hardwire kit. The reversing aid system can give you a better driving experience. It will show the wide-angle rear camera feed on the full touchscreen, 1296p HD display. It will then overlay the rear image from behind your car with guidelines to help you park. On the back of the IPS touchscreen is the full HD camera. On top of the front unit are the inputs for the rear camera and the GPS antenna. Underneath is the display's on/off switch. The Wolfbox FHD 1296p dual lens camera uses a Sony IMX335 sensor. This provides high-quality footage. The clear quality of the front camera and rear view camera are clear enough to see license plates in light and dark conditions. The Wolfbox 1296p dual lens camera will only capture 1296p footage when using the front camera by itself. If using the front and rear camera, both the front view and rear view will be captured in full HD only. Even in full HD, everything is visible as the Sony IMX335 sensor is good enough to capture everything in light or dark settings. The included GPS antenna means you will be able to view your footage alongside a Google Map overlay of your vehicle's location at the time of filming, This will help you record all details you need in the event of an incident. All of the best dash cams are on our list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which dash cams would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates. All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.